Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the voiceover function on the SmartGym application so that you are going to hear instructions while you are doing a workout. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the More button down below, which is the last option, and then you should scroll down until you find the exercises section and tap on the third option, Heat Sequence Voiceover, thereby turning on the voiceover function, and you are going to hear instructions while you are doing a heat workout on the SmartGym application. If you want to turn off this function, just simply go back to this section and tap on the relevant button. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.